lesbo. Sana walang lesbo. Ayan, pag may pulis, ayan, isang lapad. Baba ko muna guys. Isang lapad. 8,000 yung binayaran ko nun. Nahuli ako. May pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. Ah, woo! May pulis. Ayan, pawi sa amin guys. So, diba? Off ko na guys. Hello guys, our vlog guys, the famous temple in our place is the Takeda Jinja, Takeda Temple. Ayan guys, so we will go inside for a tour and let's go! I went here guys before. I went here before. Ito guys, my river. And as you can see guys there, ayan. Ano ako si guys, 6 hours yung ano ko, my work is just 6 hours, so I have a time to come here. Diba guys, Buddhism sila, so kung sa atin naman simbahan, diba? I think maganda guys yung autumn din dito. As you can see. Yan yung dalawang gate yung sign guys. Ang mga Buddhism. Lion ba yan? I don't know. So if you can see guys. Ayan. Is the Takeda Jinja. And it's a holy place, and holy place sa kanila guys. And let's get some film of something different here. I think may umaano sa stage guys. Hindi ko matanggal guys yung ano ko, yung mask, but I feel really suffocate pag nakamask ako. So let's take a little bit walk guys here on this area. Ayan. Very natural. May yellow lift. And I'll show you guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanila guys. Parang nag-range yun. Ah, they are practicing. Look guys. Ah, they're taking they are doing a practice. I don't know what's Japanese or what. Wow. Parang mga traditions nila yan. Ah, diba? Daw guys. Tapos na extra ako. Ayan. Panoorin nyo muna guys. Ayan. Diba? Galing. Wow. Matandang babae tsaka matandang lalaki. Sa mga monk din sila siguro, hindi ko alam siguro. Maybe it's just a part of a prayer or something that they are doing practice. Yeah. Diba? I really love the Japanese traditions. As you can see, and it's Japanese, you know, Japanese, what do you call this? Pag mga ganyan guys, mga ganyan, diba? Japan yan, sa China yan, mga ganyan. Yeah, maybe they are preparing for an event, guys. So, yeah. It's nice. So let's take a video of the autumn here, and that's the momiji. She's doing practice, I think. So I want to take more videos, I think, so that you can see on YouTube. I don't know what's, maybe it's a part of a prayer or traditions of Buddhism, I think, in Japan. Maybe there's a meaning of that, right? Galing. Ano sa tingin mo yan, Turumi? Si Turumi ko pala yung tinatanong. And you can see the ganda guys na. It's a famous temple here. It is where the Takeda, long time ago, Takeda is the king of Yamanashi. I think that's the story of that. So it's a very relaxing place, guys. Pag ganun kasi guys, pag pumasok ka na daw sa gate no, doon sa gate kanina, ibig sabihin there's a presence of Kami-sama. Kami-sama, guys, is means God is with you. So I respect the Japanese. Ayan guys, ang ganda, diba? It's very beautiful. Much more beautiful like autumn, because you can see the color of the mountains. It's yellow green. So very Japanese climate. So dun yun guys, yung mga pagpa-prayer. What a beautiful place. Ayan, buti nakaabot ako after my work talaga. Picture tayo. Guys, I'll continue my vlog. Ayan, nagpa-practice pa rin sila, guys. Ganda. What a beautiful mountain. Color of red, yellow, green, orange, brown. Holy place is a holy place sa kanila, guys. And a mount. It's a very near guest to my house, to my work. Wow, it's beautiful, guys. Look, guys. Oh, diba? Wow. That's right. It's one of my favorite season here in Japan, guys, is the autumn season. The autumn season in Japan, because there's a lot of beautiful colors of leaves. And the mountains, guys. Ayan. Feeling mo nasa ano ka? Incantanja ka, di ba? Tapos guys, di ba, yung ano ng sun, makita mo. Di ba? Fantastic. If you can see, guys. Ayun guys, ang ganda dun, oh. Ayun. Ang dami nagpipicture talaga, oh. Who can be with me here? Tara na, through me. Tara, dito na sa Incantanja. Ayan guys, I'm here on the mountain. No, it's not on the mountain. It's just on the temple, guys, nearby my work. So, ang sarap ng feeling pag nasa nasa natural. Ayan, nasa nature ka. Wow, my God, guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh. Wow. Ayan. Oh, diba? Oh, diba, guys? So, kikita nyo, guys, if you can see the amazing beauty of me. No? The amazing beauty of the autumn here in Japan. So, the place is here, guys, very near to my work. Is the famous temple here. So, there is a big park or garden for walking area. So, it's one of the beautiful guys here. Hello, guys, if you can see me. Hanggang doon lang ako sa may as in temple lang talaga. Pero talaga super ganda. O diba? Para kang nasa ano. It's just like you're in Fantasy Island. Char. Diba guys? O diba? Ayan guys, pag natatamaan siya ng ano, ng sunlight, now the color is very amazing color. O diba? Ayan, labas muna ako guys. Sa labas ako ng temple. At babalik ako dun sa loob. And I have to use mask. Because they all use mask. So, ayan. I have to respect. Sound niya. So, may river siya guys. Ayan, may ano. My koi. The big fish. Look. Right, you can see, ang lalaki nila. And dami guys, so, and may mga bebe, may tatlong bebe. May tatlong bebe. Yun. So, ikot tayo guys, ikot ako. Sa isang tabi at di mapakali. May bebe guys, may isang bebe. Ano na isang bebe? Isang bebeng chismosa. Isang bebeng chismosa. Ayun. Tingnan nyo guys yung mommy dyan. Ang ganda oh. Diba? Maano siya ng yung reflection ng ano ng river. Ganda. Fantastic. Fantastic. Ayan, daming baby guys. Ang daming baby, oh. Hindi siya tatlong baby. Many baby. Many baby. Ayan. Ito yung ano, oh, lumi po. Masasad lang ako ng temple, guys. Papakita ko lang yun. Ayan. Siguro from my work naman, napakalapit niya. Just take what? Wala nga 10 minutes, mga 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes siguro. Ayan. Medyo lapit tayo guys sa mountain area. Pag Saturday, Sunday guys, napakaraming tao dito. Because parang sa atin, di ba, kung simbahan, maraming mga nagpe-prayer. Ayan, nagpe-prayer. And as you can see guys, there's a mountain there. Maganda kasi yung mountain pag malayo because you can see the beauty of the beauty of the ocean, guys. So, andito ulit tayo sa gate. Bumalik ako sa gate kanina. Ayan. Doon ako galing, guys. Doon ako galing kanina. Diba? Doon naman ako galing kanina. Pauwi sa bahay. And sinasabi naman ito. Ito guys yung ano, sunuran kong kotse kanina, Lexus. Ganda. Sports car. Medyo ano tayo guys, sa isang ano. Lapit tayo sa mga mountain. Sa medyo mountain. Ano yung kotse ko guys? Di ba bukas yung bintana niya? Apa, delikado. Dali. Parang bukas yung bintana. Naku po. Bukas nga guys yung bintana ng ano, kotse ko. Yan ako talaga yan. Ayan. O, bukas yung bintana yung isa sarado. Paano kang imawala? Hala, doon pala yung ano ko. Sana yun lang nawala. Ang importante ano po, ayan na. Naku po, hala. Sana walang nawala. I think it's okay naman. Natiwala ako sa ayan. Balik tayo guys. I just want to show you. Ayoko naman kasi magkotse. It's isang pakita yung ano. Yung mountain. Dala yung kotse ko. Bukas pala guys yung ano, yung bukas yung bintana ng kotse ko. Parang tanga talaga. Tingnan nyo guys sa ano, mountain. Maganda rin siya. Pero I think it's already near to finish. Wala na masyado ano. Patapos talaga eh. So guys, if ayan. Wala na. Patapos na rin talaga yung ano. So balik na lang ako dun sa ano. Sa kotse ko. Ayan guys. So that's for today guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you.